everyone, myself Vasudev Ganteda. Today I am presenting our project BhumiMitra. It is an intelligent rover which especially surveys the urban roads. India loses thousands of lives every year due to poor road conditions, especially cracks, potholes, and uneven surfaces on the roads. Currently, inspections are manual, costly, and lack real-time accuracy. So now let's dive into the mechanical features. Our rover uses Four-swerve wheel drive for smoother navigation on city roads. The chassis are designed to be compact, durable, and resistant. On board, we integrated a stereo camera for surface area measurement of pothole, and we integrated a sharp IR sensor for depth measurement of the pothole. So now let's have a look into the technical innovation of our project. Now, here we are combining the data which is extracted by the stereo cameras, which is the surface area of the pothole, with the data which is extracted by the sharp IR sensor, which is the depth of the pothole. By fusing these both data of the stereo camera and the sharp IR sensor, we can get the exact volume of the pothole. This unique method is very cheap, efficient, and precise method which we are using in this project. Discuss about the software plus GIS part. The captured data is processed using AI-based image recognition and sensor fusion, then geo-tagged with GIS mapping. Authorities receive real-time dashboards showing road health, pothole depth, and even repair volume requirements. This transforms inspection into an automated data-driven process. Complete design, sensor integration, and AI training within 3 months, followed by pilot testing on urban roads. Post-deployment, BhumiMitra offers continuous monitoring, predictive maintenance, and a subscription-based survey as a service model, ensuring long-term sustainability. Thank you.